Women who eat sperm. Psychology facts about human behavior. Human sexuality has always been a mix of biology, culture, and personal psychology. Among the many behaviors people rarely talk about openly, one that often draws curiosity is the act of ingesting semen. While it's often seen as taboo or purely erotic, psychology and biology reveal a much deeper story behind this behavior. 1. It's not just about sex, it's about connection. For some women, swallowing sperm isn't simply a sexual act, it can symbolize emotional closeness, trust, and intimacy. Psychologists note that such acts often reflect comfort with one's partner, signaling deep acceptance and mutual vulnerability. 2. A blend of biology and behavior. Biologically, semen contains proteins, sugars, enzymes, and trace minerals. While it's not nutritionally significant, some researchers have noted that its chemical composition may influence emotional bonding through oxytocin and serotonin-related pathways, hormones linked to pleasure and attachment. 3. Breaking social taboos. Society often places strict boundaries around what's considered acceptable sexual behavior. Women who engage in acts like this may do so as a way of expressing sexual freedom and rejecting shame-based conditioning. From a psychological viewpoint, it represents autonomy over one's desires and comfort with one's body. 4. The role of curiosity and exploration. Many psychologists view this behavior as part of sexual exploration, a natural expression of curiosity and openness. Human beings are inherently exploratory, and behaviors like this often stem from a safe and consensual desire to experiment rather than from deviance. 5. Trust, power, and equality. Such acts can also symbolize power exchange, but not in a purely submissive sense. It often reflects equality, the willingness to participate in something intimate and taboo with trust and control over one's own body. 6. Psychological benefits of comfort with intimacy. Comfort with sexual acts, including unconventional ones, is associated with higher sexual self-esteem and relationship satisfaction. When both partners engage consensually, it strengthens emotional closeness and reduces anxiety around sexual identity. 7. It's all about consent and meaning. Ultimately, what matters most isn't the act itself but the meaning behind it. When approached with respect, safety, and consent, it becomes a form of intimate communication rather than a mere